Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in Foothills County. This is only about 4 or 5 minutes west of the city of Calgary on Highway 22X. The access here is certainly awesome, especially with the completion of Stony Trail. Now this is over 5 acres of landscaped, fenced, paved, beautiful property, but it does have something that none of these other beautiful estates around here have. And that's this stunning, state-of-the-art luxury garage. And I'm telling you guys, I've never seen anything quite like this. No expense was spared, and the detail process was meticulously planned and thought. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Inside and outside, metal siding. That bill alone was 6 figures. There's a 4-foot frost wall. It's fully sealed. Now this is actually a 16-foot door, and it enters into 20-foot ceilings. So the options in here are really endless. Now if you are a car enthusiast, this is really what it was designed around. It's all dust-free. There's great LED dimmable lighting, radiant heating. You can tell it's very quiet in here. This car wash system has better water than I have in my house. There's an RO system for the spot-free rinse at the end, as well as an on-demand heat. So really, really crazy. Upgraded electrical, all these, the tool chest, the lift could be included if the buyer does want that. Now, all of this, the water gets discharged away from the property, and in total here, there's almost 3,000 square feet. I should mention these walls here are actually somewhat movable, so you could configure this in different ways. Now, probably the coolest part, and you really couldn't have this man cave without having this 1,000 square foot mezzanine on top. This is the coolest room. For you guys that are interested in the stash or some of these luxury garages, this is actually about 2 to 3 times the size of those, and it's on your property. There's a nice big balcony over here. Now this is west facing, so you really get a nice view on most days. And also up here, there's a bathroom just to make it a little bit more convenient, and maybe so you'd never have to ever leave here. So, with a place like this that you really wouldn't have to ever leave, you may be wondering why there's a house on here too, but it is very spectacular as well. So let's head on over there and I'll meet you there. Welcome to the main home. Built in 2008, there's almost 2,400 square feet of living space above grade. Right off the front entrance, there's a half bathroom with a really cool shabby chic vanity there. And of course, your private dining space. This flows very nicely into the living room, family room combo. I love the east, north, and west facing windows here, so you get a lot of natural light. The stone facing double fireplace is nice to kind of separate the rooms, but still keep an open concept. And obviously, because we're a little bit newer, we are a little bit more open concept as well, and so it flows nicely into the kitchen, which is just great for entertaining and for families. With granite countertops, there's some newer appliances here, a gas stove, and of course this faces west, so you get a lot of nice evening sun. There's a mudroom and your attached double garage right off the kitchen there. Now in the basement, it's fully developed. There's another bedroom space as well, and newer carpet down here. Here's the family room. A lot of nice large windows. The full bathroom here is in really good condition. It's recently done. And this is kind of your, could be a 5th bedroom space. What's really cool is that this door here actually goes up into the garage. So another opportunity for a business owner, or potentially if you were to sweep the basement. Now, upstairs features 4 large bedrooms. There's newer carpet. Love all these windows and good closet space. Bathroom is in really nice condition. I love the stone tile work. This is your second bedroom here. This one's facing west. Your master retreat is huge in size. You have a full 5-piece ensuite. And of course, your walk-in closet. There's a fourth bedroom upstairs that complete this level, as well as upstairs laundry. So guys, thanks for sticking around and watching our tour. If you guys have any questions about this stunning property, you guys know where to find me. Thanks for watching.